This is another coffee machine control panel, designed in a minimalist black and white style. This design also significantly reduced the product manufacturing cost. Before injection molding, a 0.5 mm thin transparent PC sheet is used. On this transparent sheet, a combination of screen printing and CMYK printing mode is applied to achieve the black and white gradient bottom patterns. Hollow-out designs are made at the light transmitting area on the bottom of the product, where different printing is applied to the transient regions on the upper part of the surface sheet. This allows the corresponding indicators to be displayed only when the black light is illuminated